Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Today I will teach you how to make a little cute baby shoe for 0 to 3 months. I am using 4 mm needle and 4 ply wool. So I made 15 stitches, 15 chain. So make 15 chain, then in the first skip one, and the second make single crochet and make single crochet in every stitch till to the end of the line, like this. Single crochet in each stitch. So I am here. See, I made single crochet in every stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work. In the first stitch make single crochet, and make single crochet in every stitch to the end of the line. Now chain 1 and turn your work. In the first stitch make single crochet and make 20 rows of single crochet in every stitch. 20 rows. I will meet you in the 20th row of my work. Single crochet in every stitch. See you then. Now this is my last row, 20th row. I am finishing it. Excuse me. Now what to do is stop here and change the color. So I will choose gray one. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and in the first stitch with this one, see the chain, the back loop of the chain, make single crochet like this. 8 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 single crochet, back loop of the chain. Now chain 1, turn your work again. In the first stitch back loop make single crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and last one is 8. Now again change the color. I didn't cut the yarn, so I will pick the yarn of purple color and make chain 1. Turn your work. Again in the back loop of the chain make single crochet in all stitches. In back loop make single crochet. Chain 1. Turn your work again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the color like this. Tight it. Chain 1. Turn your work in the first stitch, back loop, single crochet. Again chain 1, single crochet, back loop, now make gray color 4 times and purple color 4 times, then I will see you then. Now I finished my this row 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gray and 1, 2, 3, 4 of purple color. So I will cut the yarn. Little bit long to stitch it, and this one too. Now fold this together this side, see, and hold it to this one. So I will stitch it together. Now what to do next is, see this line, this one, make insert your hook and make in out of this side, in out, in out, in out, in out, again in out, till to the end of it. Now squeeze it, tight it like this. Tight it and to the other side. make it tight to each other. Like this. Now turn it and make it tight. Cut the yarn. Now what to do? Look this, and from the other side insert your needle and make as I did before, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, again in and out. Now pull it tightly like this. See? Now stitch all these stitches together like this. Tight it again and make sure that it is tight. This is for 0 to 3 months. Now see, I turn it to the right side and see my boot is ready. You can put here a bow or a flower, anything you want, or a button like this, or a bead, anything you like, you can put on your boot to look beautiful and pretty. This one will be cute. It's up to you that what you want to. Yes, this one is cute. See? So please like and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video inshallah. Till now, Allah Hafiz.